Well, hi there, guys. We are here at the defining moment. This is the launch of the XSR 155. So have a look here. This is the machine. So XSR 155 is finally launched. Something that everyone has been hoping for and waiting for. There's no key here to give you the exhaust note, but this is the first look. Ribbed pattern seat, USD forks, the same engine, the same specs as that of the R15 V4 or the R15M. This color looks very, very premium. The blue color is the best part. You have the XSR logo right over here, around speedometer, and it is the same liquid cooled fuel injected engine that puts out 18.4 PS and 14.2 Newton meters of max torque. You have the Delta box frame, beautiful build, gold anodized forks, ribbed pattern seat, the round tail lamp, the signature XSR this thing, and the stubby exhaust. I'm sure the exhaust note is going to be really, really satisfactory. And here you have this brushed aluminum finish. So this is going to give the Hunter 155 sleepless nights because its price launched at just 1.49 lakhs ex-showroom. It's absolute insane value. It is E20 compliant. And just look at this, the handlebar and the overall, the colors. You have the green color, the red color. The blue one looks the best, and this is the silver color. Here you also have the one with the visor up front. So a single seat, customization options. It looks so damn amazing with this custom kit. The blue one looks the best in my opinion. And this is the overview of the XSR 155. Feel free to comment below. What do you think? First look preview. I'll give you the exhaust note separately. As I told you, 155cc liquid cooled fuel injected engine, 18.4 PS, 14.2 Newton meters, same engine as the R15 and the MT15. You have the radiator right over here, and disc brake, dual discs, traction control. Traction control is there, slipper clutch is there, and beautiful cluster, gold anodized forks. Is this monoshock? Yes, I think you have a monoshock. And radial tires, and this color, the red color as well as the green color, both of them look absolutely stunning. I think this is a 140 section tire, हमारा 140 section tire. So this concludes the first look preview of the XSR 155 straight from the launch event. What do you think? 1,49,999. Absolute insane pricing. Yamaha have arrived in style in the retro segment. Cheers.